Well, my mother told me a story. She fell in a hard place and didn't know how she was gonna come out. Went to a revival meeting one night and they were singing a song. Went something like this. Let me do it for you. I'm running for my life.
I'm running for my life.
Oh, I'm running for my life.
I'm running for my life.
Oh, yeah.
I'm running for my life.
Made up my mind, I'm gonna run for my life.
I'm running for my life.
Well, if anybody asks you, what's the matter?
What's the matter with me?
Oh, tell them I'm saved.
I'm saved.
Holy Ghost filled. What's the matter? Tell them I'm saved, sanctified, Holy Ghost filled, fire baptized. I got Jesus. Oh, well, I'm praying for my life. Oh, I'm praying for my life. Every now and then I gotta get down on my knees. I gotta get down on my knees and pray. Well, if anybody asks, what's the matter? You just tell them I'm saved. I got the Holy Ghost. I got Jesus and He's on my side. Yes, He is, y'all. Oh, I'm singing for my life. Oh, I'm singing for my life. He put a new song in my heart. Now I'm singing for my life. Well, if anybody asks you, what's the matter? Tell them I'm saved, sanctified. I'm saved. You just tell them that I am. I don't care who knows that I'm saved. One Friday night He saved. Fill me with His Spirit. I call on Him and tell Him, fill me. I'm glad about it, yes I am. I don't care who knows I'm saved. The things I used to do, I don't do no more. Gave me a new way of talking. Gave me a new way of walking. He took out that old heart of mine. Put a new heart down inside of me, yeah. Oh, I am saved and I'm sanctified, yeah. Oh, I'm glad about it. If anybody wanna know what's wrong with me, if anybody wanna know what happened to me, you just tell them that I am Holy Ghost. Tell them I got Jesus on my side. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm running. I'm running. I gotta run for my life. Made up my mind that it's for my life. I'm running, yeah, for my life. The race is not given to the swift nor the strong, but you gotta run. You gotta run. Can't give up now. Gotta keep on running. Can't give up now. Gotta keep on running. Lay aside every weight and run. Run with patience. Run this race that is set before you. 'Tis in your eyes. it's so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take him at his word. On Christ the solid rock I stand.